I met her in a club. 7 months later, I married her. Let that sit for a second. Because the day I realized I was the problem was the day I stopped blaming everything else. And for a long time, I didn't want to admit that. See, growing up, I had this picture in my mind. My parents, my grandparents, my family. I saw marriages that lasted. Real structure, real legacy, real family. And I wanted that bad. I didn't just want it. I rushed toward it. But here's where I messed up. I was still choosing from the mindset of having fun while trying to build something serious. I was mixing two different worlds and expecting them to give me one outcome. An older man told me something after everything fell apart. We worked together. He was a mentor to me. And when I started coming to him with my marriage problems, stressed out, confused, looking for answers, he hit me with something I'll never forget. He said, "Son, one of the biggest problems young men make is this. If a man fishes in a dirty pond, he's going to catch a dirty fish." And that hit me different because the problem wasn't the pond. The problem was I chose to fish there. Let me say it clean for anybody watching who needs to hear this. You can't take someone who's used to living a fast, unstable life and expect them to instantly become a grounded, stable wife. That's not how life works. And here's the part men miss. Those red flags you see while dating, they don't go away when you move in. They don't go away when you get married. They get louder. I ignored things I should have paid attention to. I made excuses. I told myself, she'll change. But what I didn't realize was I was the one that needed to change first. So what happened next? Everything came down. And I mean everything. I lost money, a lot of it. Moving between places, paying for apartments I didn't want, still holding on to the house. The financial pressure was crushing me. But that wasn't even the worst part. My health started fading. I was stressed all the time, lost weight I couldn't afford to lose, couldn't sleep, couldn't eat right. My body was breaking down because my mind was broken. I was questioning God for real. I was angry, confused, lost, and the only thing I had left was faith. I remember sitting down with my minister and I was honest with him. I said, I don't have anything left. No money, no health, no direction. I lost who I was as a person. And he looked at me and said something simple. He said, that's all you need. Faith in God, that's all you need. And in that moment, something shifted. Not because my problems disappeared, but because I stopped looking for salvation in the wrong places. I stopped looking for a woman to save me. I stopped looking for money to fix me. I stopped looking for validation to complete me. I had one thing left. And it was the one thing that actually mattered. But here's what I didn't know yet. Losing everything wasn't the end of my story. It was the beginning. If you caught part one, you already know. I lost the marriage. All I had left was my faith. But this part right here, this is the moment I looked in the mirror and didn't recognize the man staring back. I walked into the bathroom, flipped the light on, and I caught my own eyes in the mirror. And I couldn't look at myself because for the first time, I wasn't blaming her. I was looking at me. And I asked myself 3 questions. Who are you? How did you get here? And who are you going to be when you walk out? Something broke in me that night. The good kind of broken. I started asking how to rebuild. I just opened my Bible and said, God, if you still got a plan, show me. That prayer was the first real decision I'd made in years. The comeback was slow. I cut people off, started waking up at 5 a.m. and started to study how to make money without a handout ever again. Alone, broke, broken, and still believing. If you made it to part 3, salute. I was scrolling one night when I saw a video. A regular dude said, "I replaced my income with my laptop, and I'll show you how." That was it. God, or desperation, made me stop. It was affiliate marketing, recommending stuff you like and getting paid. No inventory, no employees, no shipping, just a laptop and a decision. I had nothing to lose, so I started moving. I started applying. Little wins started stacking, then consistent wins, then peace. I wasn't rich yet, but I was free from the man I used to be. Faith without action is just a wish. Put them together, and a man becomes unstoppable. You are exactly where God needs you to be. Your comeback starts today. Comment Kingdom Comeback below. I'll see you at the top. God bless.